P.
I'm Pusha P.
Yeah.
Why the am I up this early, bro? Rise and shine, mother. I really don't like my hair in the morning. I think I'm gonna have to put on a bandana, you feel me? So that's better. Shit.
Alright, gonna make some scrambled eggs for you guys. First thing you need is a tomato. Wanna spice things up, get an onion, but be careful, it might roll away. 2 eggs should be good for 1 person. Start dicing the tomato. The one I had was kinda squishy, but it's okay because everything is going under one pan. Clean the onion, dice the onion, crack the eggs carefully, but try not to f up because you're on camera. Now remember, eggs can be kinda slippery, so do the best you can, not like me, to clean up the mess. Then it would be your best interest to thoroughly wash your hands. Finish cracking the rest of your eggs, but you might wanna go back to the fridge to get another one. Salt, pepper, mix. Place pan on high, butter, add the onions and tomato, wait for the sizzle, add the eggs, voila.
So I was just thinking of doing like a little channel update for you guys. If you guys want to see anything in particular, like gaming or some like that, let me know in the comment section below. I do cook, so if you guys want to see some cooking stuff like steaks or baking, I'm not a culinary professional, you feel me, but I do cook. If you want to see more lifestyle vlogs like this, let me know. And I'll catch you at the end. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty much my workstation slash my room. You feel me? So clean, so organized. You may want to see it, you may not want to see it. This is my sneaker collection. You got my Bread 11s. You feel me? I kind of don't want to take all of them out, but you got my Bread 11s. You know you can't go wrong with flu games. We got my Silver Bullets. The only reason why I don't like it, look how they got. I cleaned this so many times, but like Nike, they have like some yellow problem with their shit, and these are completely beat up, you know? Coming up next, we got the Prestos. I only kind of like keep them around now. I could just wear those as beaters. Oh, I didn't even realize this shit. We got my freaking OGs, you feel me? We gotta wear these OGs sometimes. These are my bad boys that I reviewed on my channel. Link is gonna be in the description. 700 Wave Runners, reflective belugas. I forgot what these ones are called again, but they're the red and black ones. I got the Anillas, I think they're called, and then I got like the super black ones. Break this fit real quick. We got that nice Zara fleece jacket. Oh shit. Bro, these are my 350s, I bet. Hold on. I was literally about to go outside and I saw a box on the floor, bro. These shits are actually fire. We outside. Before I like to go anywhere, I always like to listen to loud ass music. So this video is probably gonna be copyrighted because I want you to hear the songs I'm listening to, you feel me? So, what the fuck's song?
I can tell these niggas never saw money. I pick up a bag if I walk through. Want a feature, I'm not who you talk to. I'm about to get Kyrie a puppy. That shit that you making, I'll blow it on dog food. It was not on better trying to find a lever. It was freezing out, I couldn't find my sweater.
So I don't think I explained where I was going. I'm gonna see my personal street forest. See what he got on deck. I actually also f***ed up. It's a thick ass jacket, bro. I'm sweating. Okay, so we just left my boy's crib. We're on the way home right now. It kind of got a little cloudy. It's gonna rain probably right now-ish, but oh shit. Hello, speaking, yes? I really did not expect that phone call right now. So little backstory, earlier this morning I actually had an interview that I didn't record for a new job, and literally just now, as soon as I entered the door, I got a call saying I got the job. After that call, I just kind of like put the camera away just to kind of take in the moment. Looking back, the beginning of this year was incredibly tough for me, and it was, I'm just getting caught up, you know? Long story short, for starters, I got laid off from the job I worked for 6 years. And now recently, I'm no longer together with my girlfriend. So basically for 3 months, I was sitting home trying to find new jobs, trying to, you know, figure out new content that I could bring to you guys. I feel like I got my anxiety back. I feel like I got my stress back, and that's primarily another reason why I didn't upload as often as I used to. And honestly, just like that call saying and congratulating me that I got like the job, it kind of felt so good. If you go through stress, anxiety, depression, or just like so much of like being overwhelmed, you know, just take a deep breath. At the end of the tunnel, there's always a bright light. You can't give up, because there's so many people that do end up giving up, and you know, they take their lives away. And as a new YouTuber, as a new content creator, I definitely want to, you know, bring awareness. By the way, I'm sorry if I'm like cracking up. I just like me looking back of all the struggles I've been through, all the failures, and all the people that, you know, never supported me. And just finally seeing the light turn on, it's the greatest feeling ever. If you're that person who ever goes through so much, talk to someone. At the end of the day, guys, don't give up. follow what you want, follow your goals, because there's always gonna be a brighter side to it. It's not always gonna be happy. You know, life is not always gonna be easy. You know, you fall through bumps and you go through a lot of shit just to get back up again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so enough of that depressing talk. What I really do need is a haircut. You feel me? Because, God damn. Anyways, I'm about to call up my barber right now just to see if he could take me. And I'm gonna take you on a trip to the barber shop. You know, this is the life of Josh, the day in the life of Josh. So let's go. All right, we're actually nearly there. It's cold as I'm taking the train back, but I'm just gonna keep you guys posted. It's a long walk. We're gonna do medium fade though this time because I'm already trying to grow it out. So how you guys with it? Like I said, it got cold as so I'm taking the train now, you feel me?
Estos no son horas de llamar, al menos que me lo quieras mamar, que quieras prender, que quieras quemar. Hablando claro, ya tú me callaste mal, porque me metí por ti y me fui doble flor la mal. Pero tú no eres una Kardashian, contigo no me tiro, porque si no las retros se me embachan. De noche te borré, de Facebook te borré, de Instagram te borré, de mi vida te borré.
Alright, we made it back to the brick. Alright, so the haircut actually went well, but now I'm thinking about shaving my beard, to be honest, you feel me? I told him not to like shape it and line it up, so I've actually never been this nervous in my life, bro, to shave off my beard. I'm probably gonna get my parents' reaction too because they haven't seen me without a beard in such a long time. But anyways, I got the clippers ready. We're gonna start off with a number 2 and then we're gonna take off number 1, and then after that we're just gonna use this boy to take everything off. So we're literally going baby face, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm so scared, bro. I don't want to do it.
Fresh out the fridge, my brody top shelf, whip in the kitchen. Coppers to stop, ain't no ignition. Raised up the bar, don't do the limit. Lamp at the door, this a Vinci. Lift up my door, got no ignition. D on my store, now she too picky. I got the guap, I'm getting plenty. Knock on my door.
Alright, how do you guys like this? Feel me?
These niggas racks, pull up a Mac, that shit all black. No, I don't cap and do well with no pity.
Yeah, push your feet, turn me up. Turn me up, dude.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P, I'm push a P.
Alright guys, what do you think, bro? It's finally gone, bro. I'm gonna just grow this bitch out again because I cannot. I think I'm gonna get my parents' reaction right now, guys, so you're gonna come with me. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna get my mom's reaction right now. She's on the phone. Hopefully she doesn't like kind of get distracted, you feel me? Hi, mama. Alright, so my pops just came home, so I'm gonna get his reaction right now. Let's go. Like my beard?
Oh, nakanyes.
Okay, for some reason, I think everybody wants me to put this shit on my face. You know, after the shave, you gotta disinfect yourself, you feel me? Oh, it's not bad, actually. I thought it would burn the fuck out of me, but I'm good. I'm chilling. Like, you do not want to breathe in that alcohol, ladies and gentlemen. What do you guys think? Clean shave, clean haircut, bro. This is a whole new life for me, you feel me? The next thing we have planned is we're gonna go to a sandwich shop with one of my buddies, and we're probably gonna end the vlog there. So if you want to see more vlog, if you want to see more the day in the life of Josh or random bullshit, let me know. To be the most inconvenient thing, bro. There's a garbage truck. He's leaving. All right, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Wait, he's not leaving. What the He's picking up more trash. They're literally taking their sweet ass time, but you know, no disrespect, bro. They're hardworking people. They, you know, they're cleaning up our shit. So I'm not gonna bitch, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, is this car gonna pass? Hopefully this car passes. I kind of started at the wrong time. Oh, he closed this thing. Hey, shut the fuck up. He just said some bullshit. I just started the camera. Anyways, we just made it to my boy's crib, waiting for him to come down. I doubt he knows that I'm recording, so this is gonna be a very interesting vlog. We're going to a sandwich spot right after this, and we're just gonna show you around the sandwich spot, like a little kind of sneak review. But if you guys want to definitely see a full review, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely like talk to the owner and make it right, and then I'll try to like film the whole thing.
Where the fuck is the flash from?
Because I have no lighting.
No, you broke ass bitch.
Yeah, bro, I don't have a light mod, so this is how I'm kind of recording, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we gotta get the fuck out of here because I've been double parked mad long, bro. I feel like someone's gonna scratch my bitch.
Why does it smell like shit in here, bro?
You like my slippers?
Wow, you're ready. What size is that?
12.
Can I try it on? Let me get that
Right now?
Yeah, right now. Let me get one.
So he wants to try my Yeezy slipper. Onyx, right? Is that what you call it?
Fake.
Honestly, they're very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie.
I think they're mad comfortable. What the fuck?
These are mad comfortable, bro. These are f***ing underrated, bro.
But they're not worth $2, bro.
They're not. That's why they're worth 70. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we about to head out to the sandwich spot right now, and after that, we're just gonna call it ends. So let's hit it. All right, guys. We just got to Adam's Deli. This is my old fuck.
I'm gonna fucking slap you, Josh.
Alright guys, we just got to Adam's Deli. I've been coming here ever since I was a kid. One of my favorite sandwiches are called the Wild West. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what they got. I tried to ask the employee if we could, you know, kind of videotape what he said. He gotta ask the owner. Owner's not here, but we're gonna get the sandwiches. We're gonna see how it is. Let's go. Sandwich time, okay? This is called the Wild West. I'm probably gonna put all the ingredients, all that shit on the screen below, but here you go, guys. All I know, alright, it's a bit, alright, it's too loud, but hold on, guys, we'll cut through it. We got some french fries in here, we got some bacon, we got some cheese, but I didn't get the cheese. We got some chicken wrapped in sauce, bro. It's a whole shit. Here we go, guys, on camera.
That shit bustin'?
Bustin', bro. Alright, here we go.